In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the opening balance in Zoho Books. Editing an opening balance is something you'll usually do when you're first setting up Zoho Books, or when you realize that a starting figure for a customer wasn't entered correctly. Getting this right is important because your opening balances affect your reports, your aging details, and the total amount that customers appear to owe you. Let's walk through this step by step inside Zoho Books. First, from your Zoho Books dashboard, look at the navigation menu on the left side of the screen. Find and click on the Sales section. This is where Zoho groups everything related to the money coming into your business, like invoices, customers, and payments received. By going through Sales, you'll be able to access your list of customers and edit their individual balances. Once the Sales section is open, click on Customers. This will bring up your full customer list, typically showing active customers by default. You'll see names, outstanding balances, and other details laid out in a table. If you have a long list, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly find the customer whose opening balance you want to edit. Next, select a customer from this list. You can do that by clicking directly on the customer's name. This will open that customer's detailed profile, where you can view their contact information, transaction history, and financial summary. Inside the customer profile, look for an option labeled View Opening Balance and click on it. This section shows the balance that was originally set when the customer was first added, before any invoices or payments were recorded. It's essentially the starting figure Zoho Books use for that customer. Now that you're viewing the opening balance, click on the Edit option. This will allow you to make changes to that starting amount. Before you type anything in, it's a good idea to have your source documents ready, like your previous accounting systems reports or your opening trial balance, so you can enter an accurate figure. In the balance field, type in the new opening balance you want to set for this customer. Double check that you're entering a positive or negative amount as appropriate, depending on whether the customer owes you or you owed them at the start. Take a moment to confirm the currency and date context if those are visible on your screen. Finally, click on Save. Zoho Books will update the opening balance for that customer, and this change will be reflected in their outstanding amount and related